Welcome back! Today we have Troy Cummings with us, author and illustrator. How's it going?
Good. How are you, Arlo?
Good. I wanted to talk to you about your series, The Notebook of Doom.
Oh, yes. I'm familiar with that
Yeah,
series.
you have it right there, right?
I have it right here, yeah.
So I just finished reading it, and one of my favorite characters is right there, the Balloon Goons.
Balloon Goons are awesome.
They're so funny and a little bit creepy.
Yeah, but you know what? They're really fun to draw.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want to try drawing one?
Can you teach me how to draw one?
Sure, yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it. All right. All right, so how do we get started?
Well, the Balloon Goons are really wiggly, so we're going to start with really wiggly lines like that.
Okay, let me try it. Like that.
Perfect. And then we're going to make another line parallel, just like that.
Parallel? Mm-hmm. Oh, you mean like right next to it?
Right next to it. Then you can put a little line on the top and the bottom.
Okay.
It kind of looks like one big noodle. Now, my favorite part when I draw a face is the nose. So draw a big round nose, and you can color it in like that.
Okay. So a big nose like this.
Mm-hmm. You know you did a good job. If it looks like you can honk the nose, you did a good job.
Honk, honk.
Good. Then two big circles for eyes above the nose. And then googly dots, however you like.
Okay.
Now we'll do the mouth. I'm going to make my mouth look like it's happy with some teeth, but you can do it however you like.
I think I'm going to do, yeah, I'll make mine like this.
Oh, nice. Then the arms, wiggly arms, more wiggly lines that come up however you like that.
Ooh, that's fun.
Great. Then on top of your goon, you can put a hat or horns or hair. Sometimes I put little bumpy things like this. It looks like a rooster comb or a cloud.
Oh, that's fun. I think I'm going to do that.
Then at the bottom, there's a little base. I just draw some black lines like this, and then little tiny feet. So it can run around.
The feet? Oh, that's right. Those are little feet. Probably hard to keep your balance.
I know. Then you can decorate the goon. I'm going to put polka dots on mine, but you can put whatever you like. Stars, stripes.
I'm going to do stripes on mine.
Great.
He looks like a ladder now.
And since the goon is a monster, we can make it look angry by drawing a letter V above the eyes.
Oh,
like
that's
this.
right.
Yeah.
I love that part.
And
there he is.
Finally, if we want to make it look like it's wiggling, do you know a trick to make a cartoon look like it's wiggling?
Make it look like it's wiggling? Do I shake my paper around?
You could shake your paper around, or little wiggle lines off to the sides like this.
Oh, yeah. Looks like it's moving.
Yep.
Oh, I want my arms to move, too.
Oh, good idea. And then Arlo, when an artist creates something, what is the very last thing he or she does?
I don't know. What is it?
Sign your name. We should put our names on here.
Oh, that's right. Uh-oh.
Good job, Arlo. That was awesome.
Thanks.
Thank you.
All right. I can't wait to practice drawing even more Balloon Goons.
Oh, yeah, and it's neat because you can make each one different.
That's right. I'm going to go color mine, too. Thanks, Mr. Cummings.
You
Bye.
bet, Arlo. Bye.
Be sure to check out more work by Troy Cummings. Thanks for watching. See you soon.